The Nodes panel is where you see every machine connected to your farm. Each node shows its name, current status, what job it's working on, and live CPU and RAM usage. You can sort and filter by status, type, or pool, and customize which columns are visible. Double-click a node to open the Detail panel, or click on the Open button. Here, you'll find hardware information, disk usage, and network details. The Software section shows every installed 3D application, render engine, and plugin with version numbers. This is used to spot mismatches across your farm before they cause render failures. You can also rename nodes to something meaningful, assign them to pools, and use tags to quickly label nodes. Right-click any node for remote commands. Activate, suspend, restart machines without leaving your desk. You can even select multiple nodes at once and run commands on all of them. Let's activate these and get them ready for work.